Hello student, Assalamu alaikum. This is Laiba Tariq, your biology instructor from tutoria.pk. Today we are doing the exercise of your chapter 8, diversity among plants. Let's start. So सबसे पहले start करते हैं with the MCQs. So the first MCQ is the plants are thought to have descended from a common Protistian ancestor Asian. तो यहाँ पे जो है ऑप्शन ए है फ्रेश वाटर एल्गी, बी आर्चिया, सी साइनोबैक्टीरिया and D brown algae. So the right option is option A, freshwater algae. Second है gametophyte is bryophyte, is haploid, diploid, triploid या pentaploid. The right option है haploid. Question 3 है कि whisk fern belong to the group Petropsida, Lycopsida, Psilopsida या Annelida. The right option है Psilopsida. Question 4 है sago grains are obtained to the group Cycad, Pinus, Moss या Ferns. The right option है Cycad. Question 5 है these are the highly evolved of all the plants on the earth. Bryophytes, Petridophytes, Gymnosperms या Angiosperms. The right option है option D, Gymnosperms. Question 6 है कि moss plant develop to form oospores, Protonema and Therozoites या diploid spores. The right option है option B, Protonema. Question 7 है कि fern plant is diploid sporophyte, diploid gametophyte, haploid sporophyte या haploid gametophyte. The right option है option A, diploid gametophyte. Question 8 है कि gymnosperms are characterized by multiflagellated sperms, naked seeds, winged seeds या seed inside the fruit. The right option है option B, naked seeds. Question 9 है where is megasporangium is present in an angiosperm. The right option है option B, within an ovule. Question 10 है gametophyte generation is dominant in petridophyte, gymnosperms, bryophytes या angiosperms. The right option है option C, bryophytes.